take a look at this one at Unique Specialty and Classics. Just in, this 1956 Chevrolet pickup, street rotted. Stepside short box, as you can see. I guess I'd consider this kind of a grabber blue. Paint shows well. A little patriotic theme with the red wheels, wide white walls. That carries through to the red and white accents on the interior. We'll get around to the passenger side, check it out a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run, take a look at the interior. But first, let's take a look at this front grille. Chrome and bright work on this truck. Definitely shows nice. Underneath the hood, 350, small block Chevy powered. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. And you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Is there maybe a small little imperfection here or there? Yes, but they're few and far in between on this one. Equipped with power steering, it will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Phone number 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Over 100 pictures of this vehicle online on our website. Go check it out. It's a red and white vinyl bench seat. Has an aftermarket stereo system added up above. Sounds great too. And we'll let you check that out when we get to the driver's side. I do want to point out there is a battery disconnect or dead man switch right down here, so you know. And battery, if I remember right, is relocated under that side also. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. If you want to look at the underside, you're going to see Flowmaster exhaust, I believe it was. But yeah, take a look at the underside, engine bay interior. Also, take a look at how nicely the bed is finished off underneath this tonneau cover. And as you can see, tonneau cover fits nice and tight, snaps on. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades here. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Vented tailgates for that kind of old school hot rod look. Dual exhaust coming out the rear center. And chrome. Bumper looks good in the back. Taillights integrated into that bumper. Nice build. Be a fun one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take your time looking through those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Don't be afraid to call any questions either. 507-386-1726. Take a look down the passenger side. Again, you can see paint shows well. All right, let's take a look at this interior a little closer. Start it up, let's hear it run. Door panels. Finished off nicely on the interior also. This is one of those trucks that has a floor mat. There's another floor mat underneath that before you even get to the carpeting. Autometer, more modern gauges, tilt column. Toggle switch right here. That's for an electric fan. Up is on. Another thing I want to show you is when you go to start this. So let's do this before I start it. This is actually your gear indicator. So that is park. That's going to be reverse. Red one next to it. That's neutral. And then you're into drive. So nice gear indicator. And obviously I'm moving that by moving the shifter on the floor. Odometer, what reads 2,242 price since the odometers were in, gauges were installed. Right here, this is an electric fuel pump. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn it, start it up, and then reach over, go ahead and pull that electric fuel pump on. Should always be able to start unless it's sat for quite a while without putting an electric fuel pump on. Start it up and then click it off, and then vice versa when you go to shut it down. Just click the electric fuel pump off, turn the key off. Rest of the dash looks good. Let's check out this radio.
$3,000 down plus tax, title, license, first month payment, and acquisition. These offers end on May 31st, 2023.
Works excellent. Couple 6x9s up there. Plenty of speaker for that cab. Slip around to the back seat here, let's run. Nice, deep, throaty exhaust, good sounding truck. What I really like about it is look at the stance. Great stance to it. I'm gonna slip up to the front. Let me pause this a second. I'll get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Underside of the hood, aluminum radiator. And look at how just neat and clean and simple this engine bay is. Got headers, again the power steering, small block Chevy 350, Edelbrock carb 4-barrel. Nice bright work, chrome, dress up. Just a nice, clean, simple, good-looking engine bay. '50s forever. 1956 Chevrolet pickup, street ratted, short box Stepside. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase of this vehicle. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can call in 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And always remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1956 Chevrolet pickup in a brilliant blue with red and white on the interior. Very good, clean, quality looking truck. It drives the same. Exhaust sound, lots of power, nice power steering, or at least feels like it's power steering. It is an automatic on the floor. Our gauges are working well. Oil pressure showing 25. Fuel at 3/4. Tachometer at 2,000 and water temperature a little over 180. We have an electric water pump. Electric fan running right now. Great alignment, she stays nice and straight in the road. Steering is very responsive. Our turn signal indicators are working. Battery gauge is digital actually, showing 13.1 as it charges. We have a radio overhead. Aftermarket Sony with speakers built into the headliner. Really good running, great sounding truck. Take a look at this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com. Look at all the pictures, read the details. If you're hearing that squeak, that is the driver's door, maybe the weather stripping. Something that's pretty easy to deal with. Excellent truck.